Your favorite guy out with you again. I'm going to show you today how to make yogurt, right? But I'll keep it sexy. So what we need is a milk, 99 cents. Some yogurt that I made before, a tequila, and a pen. It's good to keep it like a white one, not deep one. The white one is good for you. Only for 99 cents, you're gonna make a 3-gallon yogurt. So only like 8 hours. You pop it in this thing, boom. Put the milk in. Looking for it, come up. This is fucking awesome! Yes, boom, 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 boom. You can get as much as you want. I love yogurt. I eat every day, pretty much. Sometimes I spend lots of money on small pig yogurt. This is good. Only 99 cents. Then, we're gonna turn this thing on. Boom. We're gonna keep it till like 40-42 degrees. Or other way, if you don't have a thermometer, you can use your middle finger right here, another one, small one. And you can dip inside. And if you can stand for 7 seconds, it means your milk is good temperature. Optimal, alright? 7 seconds. Boom, dip it, keep it. If you can keep it, it's good. If you cannot do it for 7 seconds, it's hot. But if it's more than 7 seconds, it's cold. So it's gonna be like exactly 7 seconds. Now we turn the thing on, then we're gonna wait. But make sure that it's bubbles up because it goes all over, okay? Don't keep it for a long time. Milk goes all over the bowl. Pause.